single and multiplayer Minesweeper by Columbia Pictures. Firstly, let's start with level A. The core of the game board is just the same as in original one. The game board is created by a specific function called createBoard, which successfully allocates required number of mines on the array of charts in totally random fashion. Then it counts number of bombs around each cell and assigns these numbers to corresponding cells, finally returning complete game board ready to be played with.
Then the user is asked to insert a number of a row and a number of a column. These numbers have to be between 1 and 9. When the coordinates are successfully inserted, the appropriate cell is copied from the game board, that is a board array, into a user's board, that is a copy board array. The changed user's board is reprinted so that the user is able to see the current look of his board.
When player reveals safe cell with no bombs around, the function called saveZ reveals adjacent fields of this cell. Then scans the board to check whether newly opened cells are safe too, to proceed with chain reaction that terminates when whole safe zone around is revealed.
If the cell doesn't equal 0, it's checked for whether it is a bump or not. If the chosen cell contains a mine, the game finishes and a message with game over is printed.
On the other hand, if the cell does not contain the bomb, the user is asked to insert next coordinates and it continues either until the bomb is encountered or when the number of opened cells equals 71. In this case, the user wins and the message about his win is displayed.
The program checks cells that are not chart 220 and counts them, which is the player's score.
At the end, the user is asked whether he or she would like to play again. If he or she wants to continue the game, the new game board is created and all the process is repeated. Otherwise, a goodbye message is printed and the program ends.
Our level B is based on two classes, MyBoard and Player, while interactions with players are achieved through main function. Game starts by asking players to insert their names and then proceeds just as in level A, but it also shows whose turn it is and current player's score.
My board class provides a board with randomly located bombs and a number of mines in neighboring cells. Players are asked to insert coordinates of the cell. If the chosen cell equals 0, the program opens neighboring cells. Else it opens only one cell if it contains a bomb.
At the end, when winner is there, game asks both players whether they want to play one more time. If only one of the players refuses, game asks to enter name of new player on place of the one who refused to continue. In case when both players refuse to continue the game, program finishes.
What are our strengths? We have experienced teamwork and learned how to understand the codes of other people in order to continue to code using everything that is written by other members. We comprehended that commands within a code is a very powerful tool. We have understood properly how to use dynamic memory allocation to create a two-dimensional array. The music plays as a game starts and the sound of a bomb explosion plays when the bomb is encountered by the user.
Weaknesses. The bonus feature with music works only for Windows. The error appears when the code runs on the other operating system, so its code has to be modified. Also, when the user inserts a letter or another sign instead of a number when he is asked to enter the number of a row or a column, the program crashes.
Improvements that may be done. Choice of the difficulty level, the real picture sign of bomb, flags that would make game easier and save first move. Thank you for your attention.